Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a working microphone and a quiet space. Plug in or pair your headset, then test mic levels so others can hear you clearly. Open the chosen voice chat app or browser room and sign in or join as a guest. This avoids account setup delays. Once done, the client will ask for permissions, grant microphone access, and select the correct input device. These first steps get you into the channel quickly and prevent connection hiccups later. Now connect to the voice channel and configure audio settings so conversations stay clear. You should pick the input and output devices and adjust gain or mic boost. This fixes quiet or distorted sound. Decide between push-to-talk for control or open mic for flow, and then tune sensitivity to avoid background noise triggering the mic. Make sure echo cancellation is on and that no duplicate audio source plays to prevent feedback. These middle steps stabilize the call for everyone. Join the live channel, introduce yourself briefly, and begin speaking clearly. Short sentences help with latency. Use mute when you're not speaking or push to talk in busy rooms to reduce background noise and improve clarity for everyone. Once the conversation is flowing, monitor feedback and adjust volume as needed. If you encounter problems, reselect the audio device, restart the application, or revisit OS permission settings. One simple fix usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.